everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study upon Loveliest of Trees, the Cherry Now. This poem has been taken from the course book of class 5. So let us read the poem first. Loveliest of trees, the cherry now is hung with bloom along the bough, and stands about the woodland ride, wearing white for Eastertide. Now, of my 60 years and 10, 20 will not come again, and take from 70 springs a score, it only leaves me 50 more. And since to look at things in bloom, 50 springs are little room, about the woodland I will go to see the cherry hung with snow. This poem is written by A. E. Housman. A. E. Housman was born in the year 1859 and died in 1936. He was a scholar and a poet. There are 63 poems in the collection of poetry called A Shropshire Lad that Housman published in 1896. Many of this, like this one, convey the message that we should seize the day and live our lives fully because life is short. In this poem, the narrator is 20 years old and sees a beautiful cherry tree while he is out for a ride. He realizes that he only has 50 years left in his life and vows to admire beauty in all seasons. This poem, the poet beautifully describes the full bloom of cherry tree. He praises the cherry tree which is covered with white flowers, looking like wearing a dress for Eastertide. The poet is now 20. He hopes to live 50 years more. He says that 50 years are too short to enjoy the beauty of nature. He wants to go to the woods to see many trees of cherry covered with white flowers. He has expressed his deep love for nature in a simple but captivating manner. Now let us see the poem according to the stanzas. The first stanza says, Loveliest of trees, the cherry now is hung with bloom along the bough, and stands about the woodland ride, wearing white for Eastertide. In these lines, the poet describes the beauty of the cherry tree. He says, loveliest of trees. And he also says that cherry is the loveliest of all trees. Its branches are fully loaded with flowers. It is growing near the pathway of horse riders in jungle, as it says in the third line, and stands about the woodland ride. The cherry is loaded with white flowers and is looking like wearing a white dress of Easter event. The second stanza says, Now of my 60 years and 10, 20 will not come again, and take from 70 springs a score, it only leaves me 50 more. In these lines, the poet says that according to Bible, man's average age on this earth is 70 years. And the poet has spent 20 years of his life already, which will definitely not come back for him again. Now, the remaining 50 years are not enough to enjoy the beauty of cherry trees. He wants more life, more years to enjoy the beauty of the cherry trees. In fact, he wants to say that human life is too short to enjoy the beauty of nature that the God has created for man. In the third stanza, and since to look at things in bloom, 50 springs are little room. About the woodlands I will go to see the cherry hung with snow. Here, the poet wishes for more years to live, to enjoy the beauty of cherry tree. He says that life of 50 years is too short to look at things which are in bloom. He also says that he would go to the woods and will pass his time in enjoying the beauty of the cherry tree. The cherry tree would be fully loaded with white flowers and will give a scene of tree covered with snow. In fact, poet wants to say that human life is too short to enjoy the beauty of nature the God has created for man again. This is all about the poem Loveliest of Trees, the Cherry Now. Hope you would understand. Thank you so much.